Hey everyone, Patrick from Downhill Solutions here. Most of you know that I like to go out and hit the streets of Trinidad on my bike and ride the trails on my bike, and it's great for that. But there are many other great ways to use the streets of Trinidad, and one of them is from a mountain board. I just found my brakes. I've had these boards for a long time, but I just found my brakes and got them hooked up. And you definitely need to be riding brakes on these streets. They are steep and fast. You can get a really good workout walking up them, but boy, you better be ready to go down them too. Check this out behind us. Yeah, this is one of my favorite runs. We don't even ride down this particular street. We go down a different one over here to the north. So I hope you all enjoy. I really hope everyone's doing well and staying sane in the quarantine. So we'll see you at the bottom of the ride. I'm sorry, what was that? Oh yeah, yeah it is. This one. Yeah, that I had a blowout going down this other road that goes that direction, on the other side of the hill there. And I was going like 40, and it was really scary. All right, hey everyone. I got my mountain board out and want to show you the failure that we had with this valve, this Schrader valve. All right, so here's a look at the valve. And so I think what happened is I left slime in my tubes for way too long, and this part of the valve actually rusted out. So if you see that part is actually supposed to be attached to this post. See that post coming through? Yeah, so as soon as that failed, it let all the air go out of that valve. And at 40 miles an hour, that's a dangerous situation when you're running 50 psi in a tire. It loses air very, very quickly. So that's why you change out your valve cores every once in a while, you know, once a year or so. And yeah, the rumors might be true about slime ruining your valve stems. I always heard it was once a year you should change them out. I don't know. Maybe that's true, maybe that's wrong. But yeah, that's what it looked like for me. Yeah. So I'm gonna hold off on doing this one until I make sure this is still okay. Does your wife know you're out here doing this? Yeah, she does. Better than some things, right? Yeah. Have a good day.